Welcome to 999 Plumber. Plumbing, heating, kitchens and bathrooms. In Newbury, Fatcham, Reading and surrounding areas. We offer 24-hour plumbing emergency call-outs, including heating, floods and leaks, all throughout the night, 365 days a year. We're a small to medium local company based out of Newbury, Fatcham and Reading, covering the surrounding areas. We're proud members of Checker Trade, My Builder, Rated People and Trust a Trader. All our engineers are gas safe registered. Our plumbing and heating engineers are trained and qualified to the highest standards. We offer 1 hour emergency response time, 24 hours, 365 days of the year. All our work is guaranteed for 12 months and we run a modern fleet of vehicles ensuring reliability. And don't forget, we offer an exciting range of bathrooms and kitchens designed